Hey, it's Wes. Welcome to Big Life. Today we're up at Niagara Falls again, and we're doing another Clifton Hills one. We're doing the Niagara Super Speedway. This is $13 per person to ride. I think if you want to have a passenger on it, it's $4, and you can do like a kid swap too on it. I watched. Yeah, some UV helmet cleaning. We waited about 30 minutes for it, and they let you drive for a really long time, and it's a really fun course. And yeah, well worth the money to do this. So whatever you decide to do, just get out there and do it.